Hey guys, welcome to the third lesson of the Tabla series. We hope you are excited. In today's lesson, we will learn the very first bowl which is required to start playing Tabla from the beginning. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. At first, when we learn the bowl, it is important to note that this bowl is the foundation bowl in tabla. All the other bowls are dependent on this. If you master this bowl, then you can play the other bowls very easily. Keeping that in mind, let's learn the very first bowl in tabla. Therefore, the bowl is ka, te, te. Note, double T is used to differentiate te, te from te, tte, so that you won't get confused. Today in this video, we will show you how to play it from slow to medium fast. You have to practice in home for minimum 30 minutes daily to set your hand at the beginning. Now let's see how it is played. Well, that's how it should be done. We hope you have learned the very first bowl and how to play it, and with this, we are ending today's lesson here. We hope you have liked the lesson, and don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You'll find the contact details down in the description. Tune in with us in the next video with the second bowl of tabla. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.